Alright, we're going to make some spinners. Been a while since I made a spinner, so I'll probably mess up one or two. Probably bigger. Alright, take two. Okay, so we're going to take a wire, we're going to slide a bead on it, simple as that. We're going to take a clevis and we're going to put it on one of our blades. There's lots of different blades. You can see chartreuse, you know, this fluorescent. This is just a silver blade, sort of medium size. I don't know the sizes, but you know what they call these sizes, but I buy them in bulk. So there's my blade right there, and there's my spin. So now I'm going to take a weight, stick it on there like that. And that works really, really well. We'll put another bead on here. And that is basically our design pattern. It says Bass Pro Shops on it. So now we're going to just bend this around the shaft here of this. That gives us that's going to give us a loop. But now I need to crimp it to give it, center it. So we're just going to put it around here, bring it over here to this crimper, and we're just going to crimp, turn it, we'll do both sides. Make sure that it crimps really good, so I can get a nice keyhole look. You can see the keyhole? Keyhole look. But now I need to take the tag end, and I need to bend it 90 degrees. What I need to do, I need to bend it 90 degrees. Right at that bend. And there you go. It's not really 90, but it's close enough. And now we've got to put a hook on. Don't forget your hook. I've done that. I finished these and forgot to put a hook on it. I said, whoa, that's so perfect. And then there's nothing on it to catch the fish. So now our hook is on here. Make sure it's in the keyhole slot. That 90 degree, we're putting it inside this little channel here. That's what we're doing. And now we're going to turn it. Basically, it's doing the wind right now. You know, 3 or 4. It doesn't have to take a whole lot. It's not going to come undone when you catch a fish. Believe me, it will not. And now we're going to slide it off our little rotisserie here. We're going to cut the tag end off. That is our spinner. That's our spinner right there. Simple, huh? It really is with this little machine. You go to Jen's Netcraft. You can see Jan's Netcraft.com. And they sell this. They even sell it in a kit with an instruction manual on how to make lots of different things with it.